Hey everyone, we're here at Dollywood, and today we're going to be checking out the summer celebration. It's the all-new drone light show. We also have the fireworks tonight as well. So we're here a few hours early, so we're going to check out the park for a little bit, and then go check out the drone and fireworks show.
Pretty flowers.
Just passing the fountains and the big wheel here. Still lots of pretty flowers, even though the food and flower festival is over with.
Alright guys, we're going to go to the dog and tater stand and try one of their corn dogs for the first time.
Here's the menu options over here. They have the foot-long hot dogs and the foot-long corn dogs. And you can get the hot dog there with chili cheese, or if you're getting the corn dog and tater twirls. And they also have the drinks down here as well.
Alright guys, we got our foot-long corn dog and our potato twirls.
Twirls, yeah.
See how they are.
It's a good corn dog. There's nothing special, but
Just corn dog.
just a good corn dog like you get like at any other fast food type place. But just walking through the county fair area here. Really cool area for the little kids and also the big kids too. There's lots of the carnival rides you would see like a county fair or a state fair. That's a really cool area. Ducks over there. A piggy parade. Demolition derby. There's a look at the demolition derby. Some may say it's Stephanie's driving, but
Really?
who knows? We're just passing the train area now, having a great time at Dollywood. Crowd levels are not too bad today, but it is pretty hot today. So definitely looking forward to the fireworks tonight, the drone show. You having a good time, Stephanie?
Yes.
All right, about to get in line for the cinnamon bread here at the grist mill. Definitely one of the favorite parts of Dollywood is getting the fresh cinnamon bread. We'll show you a video of it here in just a few moments. Let's get in line. All right, everybody, we just got the famous
Really hot and sticky cinnamon bread. Ooh.
And we also got the icing that comes with it and the apple butter as well.
And give it a try and see how it is today. Holy moly, that's hot.
I usually go with the apple butter for mine.
I can't do it, it's too hot. Oh my god.
The cinnamon bread is amazing. Definitely something you have to get every time you come. And the apple butter for me is definitely the way to go. I like the extra little twang to it, but they do have the icing, which is really popular as well.
I think the bread by itself is more than enough. I don't need icing or butter. But
all right, we're gonna finish up the cinnamon bread here, and we'll see you here in a little bit.
yeah. Woo.
getting dark, everybody, which means it's almost time for the drone and the fireworks show. We're just at the Refresh recharge station right now, taking a break. Definitely got some nice rocking chairs here and the beautiful fountain to take a look at. So it's definitely a good place to kind of get off your feet and relax for a few minutes. There's the rocking chairs here. And we'll see you here in a few moments for the drone and fireworks show.
Best day ever. Mexican bowls and nachos. We should have eaten in there. Looks good, huh?
Still in the Harvest Food Hall. There's some good options here. Nachos, cheeseburger, chicken tenders. More of the Mexican bowls here. Alright, we made it to Wildwood Grove. We're going to try to find the best spot possible for y'all tonight to see the fireworks and the drone show.
Come on, let's just say 5, 6, 7, 8. Caleb down
Dance
here.
party has started. We're just waiting for the firework and drone show.
So he's gonna teach
Having a
y'all
great
how
time
to
here listening to music.
Look at
Beautiful.
the sunset.
Very beautiful sunset behind
Alright, I
us.
think we all oh, yeah.
You having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Come on, y'all. There you go. Y'all
The drone show and fireworks show just ended. What an amazing show.
It was incredible. I wasn't expecting that.
Yeah, Dollywood really did an amazing job with the drone show. Highly recommended if you can make it out to Dollywood. Again, the fireworks are spectacular as well. The crowds are moving out now, but we had an awesome time at Dollywood. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you soon.
Thanks.